In this video, I'm going to show you how to download games on your Xbox Series S or X when it's turned off. So the first thing you want to do is go to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. Then from general, we're going to scroll on over and go to power options. Now you want to ensure your Xbox is always connected to the internet, and when it comes to your power mode, you can actually select either option. However, I have read online that some people have experienced issues using shutdown energy saving, so me personally, I recommend you use sleep. Now, when it comes to customized power options, you want to ensure keep my console up to date is turned on, and same thing goes with keep my games and apps up to date. So not only will you be able to download games while your Xbox is turned off, but it's also going to keep them up to date so when you turn it on, you can play them immediately. Now, when it comes to when console's off, turn off storage, you want to ensure that this is unchecked so that your console can utilize storage for downloads, updates, and more whilst your Xbox is turned off. And this is especially true for external drives. So hopefully this video was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.